When you look at the nation called USSR, or what we know today as the Russian nation, or what we can call the Leopards, we are talking about a nation that is built by oligarchs. The pillars of the nation of Russia are called oligarchs. Who are these oligarchs? They are individuals who began to buy into the state-owned companies and assets. There was a time after USSR was converted to the nation called Russia, a president came in and decided to privatize the government-owned asset, and people took advantage of it. A group of people took an advantage of it and began to buy assets. They began to pick things in such places and began to increase, and those things they were buying and those things they were increasing, they began to privatize the assets of the state, and this group of people became politically strong, economically influential, and their power and authority in the nation of Russia was as stamped as God. And because of the power they had, they were called the oligarchs, the family of the billionaires, the families of people who spend money as if it is nothing. They began to create money as though they were creating sand. They were closer to the powers that be. Nobody ever goes contrary to their decision.